How to create a sales order. What is a sales order? In the sales order, you will be able to record your customer orders. How do you create a sales order? From the main menu, go to Customers and select Sales Order. At the upper right side of the window, click Create. Fill in the necessary information. Please note that all fields with an asterisk are required to create the order, while those without the asterisk are optional information. Reference number. Select the prefix if applicable, then provide the reference number or use the auto-numbering suggestion by the system. Please note, prefixes for SO can be set up from the miscellaneous settings. Date is where you will fill in the date of the order. Due date automatically follows the date or the terms you set for the customer, but you can edit this to the desired date. Select the customer of the items from the list and it will automatically fill in the customer name. Select a sales representative. Sales representative drop-down list will automatically appear if a list has been set from the miscellaneous settings and from the employee module. Accounts receivable has been set as the default account upon the creation of your customer in the customer list. This will automatically appear when selecting the customer. Select location or branch where the order was made. Select Checker if applicable. The drop-down is the list of employees tagged as Checker in the employee module. PO number, where you can fill in the reference number of customer PO if applicable. Sales order has a few extra fields that you can activate in the settings, such as driver name, plate number, delivery receipt date, and number. After providing the header details, you can now provide the details for the items in Goods tab or Services in Service tab. For items under Goods tab, take note of the following. Select the item or product from the list. Once you select an item, the system will suggest the unit of measure, description and price automatically based on the information set in the inventory list, but you can also change it based on the actual order detail. You can also record the discount by percent or by amount. To add another item, just click New Line. For Services tab, observe the following. Go to Service tab to record service or any charges. You can select a service item or product from the list or directly input the description in the description box. Then select the account and amount. To add another item, click New Line. At the bottom part, you'll see the subtotal, total discount, total VAT, and overall total. Before you save the transaction, Sales Order has a few other features that come in handy. On the upper right of the table is your search field, where you can search specific items if you have a long list in your table. The gear icon beside the search field is your column settings, where you can select or deselect table columns. On the lower right of the table is your table pages. Whether you have filled in the Goods or Services tab, lastly, input applicable remarks. Then click Save and select a saving option. Save and close if you want to save the transaction and no longer wish to create a new sales order. Save and new if you wish to save the transaction and create a new sales order. Save and print if you wish to save the transaction and print it. Save and attach if you wish to save the transaction and attach a supporting document. You have just created your sales order.